Hello everyone, welcome back. Another video. In this video I can show you how to delete Instagram app from your phone permanently. So if you don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss update. Let's get start the video without wasting your time. First of all, open Instagram app on your phone and then tap on Instagram app. After that, tap on profile icons. Now you can see it's new appear on screen, and then tap all three lines. Click here and then tap on account center. Now you can see it's new appear on screen, and then scroll down. Click on personal details. Tap it. Then tap on account ownership and control. Tap it. Now tap on deactivations and deletions. Tap it. Now choose his profiles on Instagram. Tap here. Now he is asking deactivate account and delete account. Delete your account is permanent. So tap it and then tap continue. How he is asking why are you deleting your account? His reasons. So choose here any. Then scroll down, tap continue. Now is asking yes deactivate instead and no continue with deletion. So back, click here again, choose something else, tap continue and then scroll down, tap on continue. After that, asking enter your passcode Instagram. If you want to delete your account, so enter your passcode on Instagram and then tap on continue. And after you delete your Instagram account from your phone. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching video. Thank you.